Bless nominated Big Lake for consideration within Alberta's Special Places 2000 program and was a member of the local committee that recommended acceptance in the program. Alberta subsequently designated the lake as a conservation natural area and appointed Bless as the official steward of the Big Lake Natural Area. Bless also nominated Big Lake for the International Important Birds Area program. The lake now has status as a globally significant IBA site. In recognition of Alberta's centennial and in honor of the late Lieutenant Governor, the Alberta government designated the Big Lake Natural Area as Lois Hole Centennial Provincial Park in 2005. Bless remains the official steward of this, the province's newest provincial park. Education. Every summer, using hired summer students, Bless conducts a free summer nature program for children at the RCMP Log Cabin in St. Albert. Bless commissioned a rare plant survey of Lois Hole Park in 2013. Bless has produced plant and bird guides for Lois Hole Provincial Park. Monitoring and data collection. As provincial stewards of Lois Hole Centennial Provincial Park, Bless regularly monitors and reports on conditions and activities around Big Lake. Bless implemented a water quality monitoring program that has obtained baseline water quality data for Big Lake, its inlets and outlet. Bless members have maintained 10 years of bird count records for the Big Lake area. Bless members have collected water level measurements of Big Lake for Alberta Environment. Bless is primarily concerned about developments in the lands immediately adjacent to Big Lake. The area between the water and Ray Gibbon Drive lacks much natural appeal, with power lines running over top fields, somewhat choked with weeds, and the remains of a tree nursery. 2 artificial man-made ponds offer an opportunity for associated loop trails. There is ample room for habitat restoration in this entire area, especially with the planting of trees. Other low-impact uses, example other trails, may be appropriate in this area, especially if they are at a distance from the water's edge and if a buffer of evergreen trees or other native trees is established both along Ray Gibbon Drive and along the near edge of the lake. Particularly protected areas. The area between the open water of Big Lake and Meadowview Drive contains a couple of very significant natural features. The large expanse of true wetland or foreshore that is partially inundated should be classified as natural area and colored yellow on the master plan map. Granular trails in these wetlands are not acceptable. This should be treated like a wildlife sanctuary area where disturbance is minimized. The 2 remnant forests should be protected as well. Any multi-use trail in this area should have associated with it a significant reforestation effort to provide additional connectivity between the existing forests and to provide a visual barrier to reduce disturbance of wildlife using the bay. Any development of a viewpoint should maximize efforts to create the least disturbance by users.